What's up friends, Andrew here, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your phone number for the two-factor authentication on Coinbase. In order to do this guys, you want to click the three lines in the upper left hand side, then click on accounts and settings at the top there, scroll down to where it says phone numbers and tap on that. Now you want to wait a few seconds for this little page to load because it contains your sections for your email and password and the two-factor verification. Now you will see that it shows your two-factor verification section, so you want to scroll down to where it shows you the option that you have. Here I'm currently using text message, and if I click the drop down it shows the number that I have. You can go ahead and you can add a second phone number here before you delete this one. So here you can see the delete icon here, so you can go ahead and you can delete this current phone number. I recommend you add a backup phone number first by simply tap on add backup phone number. You will receive an email where you can copy the code. Once you enter the code there that you receive, you will be able to enter a new phone number. And as you can see right here, I now have the option to enter a new phone number, so I'll choose my country code that is correct, and once I do that I will go ahead and just enter the new phone number. Click on continue. Once you click on continue, what's going to happen is going to send you a verification code again, and you'll be able to complete the process by having that. So once that phone number has been added, you will need to just go back and remove this one that you have here, which is the current one, and that's going to now allow you to have that one phone number. So whenever you receive any code, it will go to that phone number that you have added as a backup, and now it's going to become primary because you would remove the previous one or the old one. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.